You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this antibiotic, or is it antibiotic? Stay tuned, I've got a video for you you'll need to watch. How to pronounce Bacitracin. That's British English and American English pronunciations, which for once are consistent. Baci or Baci, you could say C or S, same. I mean, it's not the same, but they're both correct. Bacitracin or Bacitracin. Stress on that tray syllable. How to pronounce English pronunciation. Bacitracin. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.